Assalamu alaikum everyone. So the conference is almost come to a close. So I'm traveling back today. So मैंने सोचा कि काफ़ी दिनों से I couldn't record any message. So I'm recording a small message. Basically, that is based on the updates of the conference that I just attended. So इसमें जो हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंस थी इसमें हमारे पेशेंट्स के लिए क्या मैसेजेस हमें मिले जो कि पेशेंट्स शुड नो. सो पहली चीज़ जो इम्पॉर्टेंट है जो कि मैं पेशेंट्स को बताना चाहूँगी, स्पेशली ब्रेस्ट कैंसर पेशेंट्स जिनका ट्रिपल नेगेटिव ब्रेस्ट कैंसर होता है, सो आई शुड टेल यू दैट वी आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट नाउ to tell our patients that stage 1 to 3 breast cancer cannot be treated without immunotherapy. Immunotherapy should be an essential part of treatment because it changes the outcomes remarkably. So triple negative breast cancer के सारे patients जिनको stage 1 to 3 cancer है उनको immunotherapy chemotherapy के साथ मिलनी चाहिए, and if they are not given immunotherapy the treatment is incomplete, and we should put all our efforts as oncologists, as patients and as patient advocates that these drugs that our patients need should be available and registered in Pakistan. So ये तो important message था for patients who had this very aggressive type of cancer which is called triple negative breast cancer, कि they should be given immunotherapy right from the beginning of treatment so that we can improve their survival. दूसरा important message जो breast cancer की radiotherapy के context में आया वो ये है कि हमारे patients actually in Pakistan we are actually using 15 sessions for most of our patients. जिनको boost देते हैं हम उनको कुछ 15 से 20 sessions हो जाते हैं, but most of our patients they get 15 sessions of treatment. लेकिन there are certain parts of the world जिस तरह सिंगापुर में मैंने काम किया है, फ्रांस में किया है, तो they were still using 25 fractions of treatment. So now we have data के research ने हमें ये prove कर दिया है कि 15 fractions they are as good and as safe as 25 fractions. So all patients can have 15 fractions plus minus boost depending on the stage and the doctor's decision. So this is a good news for patients कि जिन patients को 25 या 30 sessions दिए जाते थे उनको अब सिर्फ 15 sessions या 20 sessions दिए जाएंगे. और basically this is our practice for a very long time. हम अपने मुल्क में यही practice कर रहे हैं, लेकिन now it has been backed by a good research, so we are very confident to give 15 to 20 sessions of treatment. इसके अलावा एक और important चीज़ जो अपने patients को बताना चाहूँगी वो ये है in terms of rectal cancer के बहुत सारे patients ऐसे हैं जो rectal cancer में जिनका स्पेशली बहुत लो रेक्टल ट्यूमर्स होते हैं उनको हम कीमोथेरेपी देते हैं और फिर सर्जरी कराते हैं और कीमो रेडिएशन भी कुछ पेशेंट्स में दी जाती है. सो दिस वाज अ मल्टी मोडालिटी ट्रीटमेंट जिसमें कीमोथेरेपी भी थी, रेडिएशन भी थी, सर्जरी भी थी. और सर्जरी स्पेशली जो लो रेक्टल कैंसर वाले पेशेंट्स हैं जिनकी हम सर्जरी कराते हैं, यू नो द डिलेमा वाज कि उनमें हमेशा एक ऐसी सर्जरी चाहिए होती है जो कि APR होता है, यानी कि उनमें एक परमानेंट कोलोस्टमी बैग लगता है. So that becomes very inconvenient for the patients. So over the last few years, the research has all been focused on reducing the omitting the surgery and intensifying the treatment in terms of surgery, chemotherapy and radiation, so that we can avoid surgery और patient को हम permanent stoma से बचा सकें. So इस context में we have some success that we are selecting patients जिनको हम दे रहे हैं chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and those who have complete response based on our very strict criteria, we are saving them for surgery. So remember, these patients have to follow very strict protocol of surveillance, and this is actually doctor's decision that who gets a stoma and who doesn't, who fits for this conservation treatment. And this is not for everyone, especially for those patients who cannot follow the strict protocol of monitoring after completion of treatment. इसके अलावा एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो कि मैं डिस्कस करना चाहूँगी अपने पेशेंट से, जो कि हम ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के पेशेंट्स होते हैं जो कि ERPR पॉजिटिव हैं, HER2 नेगेटिव हैं, उनको हम एक हार्मोनल ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म विच इज़ मोस्टली 5 to 10 years. So these patients, I've recently started adding another medicine that basically improves the outcome for these patients. This medicine is registered in Pakistan, though it is very expensive, but it definitely improves the outcomes. So I would strongly stress कि जो patients stage 1 to 3 breast cancer में diagnose होते हैं, not in stage 1 but mostly stage 2 to 3 breast cancer में diagnose होते हैं, they should try to have this newer tablet in addition to the hormonal treatment so that we can improve their chances of cure and reduce the chances of cancer coming back. So this was mainly in terms of early stage breast cancer. So for patients who are getting treatment for colon cancer, उनके लिए important update ये थी कि these patients, the world is moving towards treating these patients with new adjuvant treatment, which means that chemotherapy should be given first instead of direct surgery for especially patients who have node positive disease on imaging. So those patients who have node positive, confirmed node positive disease on imaging, or जिसे हम locally advanced stage कहते हैं, stage 3 कहते हैं, they should be considered for upfront chemo or immunotherapy depending on their MSI status. So this is in the direction the world is moving, but we are not sure that how long will it take to become a standard of care. But at the moment हमारा जो practice होगी वो surgery followed by chemo, immunotherapy, whatever, but in future or maybe now we can select patients who can have some immunotherapy before surgery or chemotherapy before surgery. So this was something we had for colon cancer. In terms of cervical cancer, कुछ drugs नहीं आई हैं, but unfortunately the availability is not in Pakistan, or I don't see कि in the next 5 years they will be available to us. So I think there's no point in talking about them. And then there are again some drugs about endometrial cancer, again not available in Pakistan. Then we have some updates about the test like NGS testing. So ये test जो होता है NGS test, ये हम बहुत time से कर रहे हैं, and it is done mostly for patients who in some cancers we do it before the start of treatment, and for most cancers we do it after patient progresses on chemotherapy. So in metastatic disease, or we try to find out the targeted treatment for that particular patient, and the specific drug for that particular patient. So I would again stress the importance of this test, because once we find a target and we give medicine according to the target, in that case the outcomes are better. But again, we have to keep in mind that in most cases the medicines are not available. In most cases the tests they are inadequate. So in order to make sure that we get complete benefit of this test, we have to make sure that the test should be good quality and it should be thorough. And secondly, the medicines that the test is indicating, that should also be available. So we can't stress more again on the importance of this test. So these were the main updates about for most of our oncology patients point of view. Or I think many of these are very important because I think for most of them we are doing the things that were mentioned, but now they are backed up with more research, so we will be able to more confidently discuss with our patients. So this was all for today, and pray for my safe journey, and I will see you back in Pakistan.